Hello everyone, good morning. How are you? If you are struggling with this internet work credentials, to fix this, go to the computer where the file is being shared and follow the steps. And here, type control panel, then click and view by large icon. Then click this network and sharing center. Then in the left side, click this advanced sharing settings and all network, click this. Then at the bottom, under the password protected sharing, click this turn off. Then save. Then close. So let's try. Type add, enter, and here we go. So I hope you like this video. I hope it helps you a lot. And if you like this video guys, please click like and share if possible. So that's all. Thank you and see you to my next video.